Alright.
The one with +1 walking. That guy.
No, I'm gonna be Fonzie, nigga.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god, he's right behind us. Every time I fucking...
Wait for me, you fucker!
Every time
Go to there!
Oh my god!
Oh my god,
Fucking go.
to the right.
Run, guys!
Wait, guys, wait up. No, Dapper, don't do this.
I'm too tired!
Dapper, wait. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, he's right there, alright.
I died.
Go. Velma, my rock. What the fuck?
Let's go.
Oh my god, he's right behind us.
My rock. My growl. Oh, no, he's right there. He's right there. I'm gonna escape from the group. Wait. No, wait, Bolt! You fucking shit face! Get back here!
I'm right here. Oh my god, and he's right there, and he's right here.
With his power walk.
When the speed is down, quickest power goes down.
Get back here, Beaver. Where were we?
Yo, who wants to have a race with me? Someone get right beside me. Someone gets beside me. Who wants to race me?
Alright boys, I'm gonna be the ref here.
Wait, show you male genitals.
Wait, no, you have to go to the end of the hallway. Go to the end of the hallway. Coda, go with him so he doesn't die. Unless he... Get Josh beside me.
Alright, why don't you guys both start from the same side?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're starting right here. Strike it right beside me. We didn't start. Get beside me, mate.
Beside you.
Alright, Kate, tell us when to go.
Go! I didn't know I was racing! Oh,
victory! Rematch. Alright.
I think the real winner here is Dapper. Want to see me run up on the... Want to see me...
Ready.
Alright, give us the countdown, boys.
Ow. I'm having a
Dapper.
The fact that we still are yet to find...
Where'd you guys go? Fire. What? Holy shit! Oh, you're like, you fucking ass with them, you're just like done, you're just like walking away. You even get fucked.
What a game of it. Did a roll. Guys, we're back in the gamma room.
Why am I so far behind?
I think I see some of the particles around in the air. You might want to watch out. Don't fall.
Body.
Some gamma powder in the air, boys. You might want to watch out.
Level 4 warps. He's allergic to the heat.
The baddest.
Everyone turn your flashlights off. No flashlights.
Fuck that. I got you.
He's gonna see us.
Oh, he's gonna see us.
Dapper, you're gonna get us killed.
Like I give a shit. Oh, I saw an orb. That was close.
Look, I know you like your lens flare, but now is not the time.
Dapper, yeah, like he's coming closer because of you. Oh my god, he's right there.
Oh, he's Why are you like teleporting into a wall? Oh. I'm fucking by myself! No! Oh, I'm gonna die because I can't go alone. I'm not allowed to go alone. Are you fucking kidding me? Alright, well, yeah, fuck it. Thanks, Bull!